Hello children. Today in English class we will do the reading practice of CVC words with letter A. CVC means consonant, vowel and consonant sounds of the letters. Okay children? Let's begin. Vowel A makes the sound as in the following words. A makes the sound A as in apple, as in axe, as in ant, as in arrow. Read aloud the words with vowel A. Okay, let's add A, D. A says A, D says D. Add words. Let's add words. Children, see, this is the sign of add. Add means join, yeah, jodna. In this reading drill, we are adding the letters. Let's begin. Which letter is this? Yes, letter L. L says L. Add. A says A. D says D. तो क्या बना? L, A, D. Lad. Lad means boy. It's the letter P. P says P. A says A and D says D. P, A, D. Pad. See, this is a writing pad on which you can write. Now let's add A, G, ag, ag words. Okay, it is the letter B. B says B. Add A, G, ag, B, A, G, bag. This is a picture of your bag. This is letter R. R says R. A says A. G says G. R, A, G, rag. Rag means old or torn cloth. Now let's add A, M. A says A, M says M. Am words. Children, which letter is this? Letter D. D makes the sound D. A says A. M says When we join D with am, it makes D, A, M, dam. Dam means band. This is letter J. J says J. Add A, M, am. A says A. M says A, M, am. J, am, jam. Let's add A, P. App words. This is letter C. C makes the sound K. Add A, P, app. K, A, P. Cap. It makes the word K, A, P. Cap. This is letter M. M says Add A, P. App. A, P. A, P. Map. Map means naksha. Let's add an words. A says A, N says N. An words. This is letter F. F makes the sound F. Add A, N. An. It makes F, A, N. Fan. This is letter M. M says Add A, N. An. It makes the word A, N. Man. Let's add A, T, A, T. at words. This is letter B. B says B. At, B, at, bat. This is letter C. C says short sound of K. At, at, K, at, cat. Children, this way you can do the practice of reading A family CBC words. Keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.